Are parallel universes science fiction, or do they represent actual reality? Here's what physicists have to say about multiverse theory. In physics, there are three main models for multiverses, each exploring different possibilities. The first, known as the bubble universe theory, suggests that there could be other regions of space too distant or hidden within black holes for us to ever observe. These separate bubbles may have their own unique physical laws, possibly explaining why our universe is so fine-tuned for life. The second theory, involving membranes and extra dimensions, stems from string theory. It proposes that our three-dimensional universe may be part of a much larger, nine-dimensional space where other universes exist like pages in a book. The third model, the many worlds interpretation, tackles the mysteries of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every possible outcome of every event exists in its own universe, creating an infinite number of alternate timelines. None of these multiverse models have been experimentally confirmed, but that doesn't mean they can't be tested in the future. If our universe has collided with another in the past, for instance, we might observe evidence in the cosmic background radiation. Meanwhile, advances in quantum mechanics could help test the many worlds theory. As exciting as these ideas are, it's important to remember that science must be based on testable hypotheses. And while the multiverse remains speculative for now, ongoing research might one day bring us closer to understanding these alternate realities. The exploration of parallel universes continues to ignite curiosity and debate within the scientific community. As we advance in our understanding, the question remains, could we eventually discover proof of these fascinating realms beyond our own? The pursuit of knowledge about the multiverse not only challenges our perceptions, but also pushes the boundaries of science. Future generations of scientists will continue to explore these possibilities, shaping our understanding of reality as we know it. The journey into the realm of parallel universes is just beginning, with infinite possibilities waiting to be discovered. As we delve deeper into the fabric of space and time, who knows what revelations await us in the quest for understanding our place in the cosmos?